weasel. It's so funny, you can tell exactly how this weasel is sleeping right now. Boop. Only I can boop this nose. Yes. That is a happy weasel. Have you ever seen a happier weasel? Of course, you're all just like, what the fuck am I looking at? But here's a little tootsie. That's her front leg. Here's your little back beans. Oh. Here's your other front leg. And of course, there's a nose. Boop. Little panda bitch. I love you so much. I would kill so many people for you. Look at this. Have you seen this? Look at these feet. I mean, well, here you go. Here's a toots. That is a toots you will never touch. This is a cat. Why do you look the same in black? What? Oh, because you're black and white. That's right. She looks exactly the same as real life. What the hell? What is this? Do I look the same? Can I turn around? I don't look the same. How do you look the same? You're freaking me out. Zero, she's breaking this divide, the matrix. Get over this. Oh, I love you so much. We got a blep. We have a blep. Can we see the blep?